Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, how are you? Shiba Inu shaking off meme coin tag with its metaverse, but Doge creator cites no utility for SHIB. Billy Marcus believes the metaverse project adds no utility to Shiba Inu. The programmer likened the project to a cash grab by developers. Shiba Inu family, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will growth Shiba, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. SHIB Metaverse is the community's latest attempt to shake off the meme coin tag. In response to Shiba Inu's metaverse reveal, Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus has expressed his belief that the virtual reality project added no utility to the SHIB token. Billy Marcus went on to liken the metaverse launch to a cash grab. The SHIB metaverse and Billy Marcus's concerns last week. After a long period of teasing, the developers of the Shiba Inu project announced the launch of the SHIB metaverse. The developers revealed that the metaverse would put together and display the unique journey and experiences of the Shiba Inu community. The blog post read, "The SHIB metaverse is the culmination of our history as a community, virtually displayed, in a layer of beautiful visuals that showcase our innovation and unity with a place to truly call home." In the post, the developers also revealed that the metaverse would include 100,595 plots. According to the developers, these plots of land would be made available in batches, with the first batch comprising 36,431 plots in 4 categories with prices ranging from 0.2 ETH to 1 ETH. Shiba Inu developers declared that the choice to use Ethereum was to avoid dumping the price of their native asset. However, landholders would burn the native Shiba Inu token for holders to rename their land. Developers also hinted that landowners would have an opportunity to make passive income. However, Dogecoin creator Billy Marcus is not impressed. He believes that the metaverse adds no utility to the Shiba Inu project. In his tweet, he said, "How is making a random metaverse and selling fake land with Ethereum adding utility to their project?" However, Billy Marcus's dissatisfaction did not end there. He described the metaverse launch as a cash grab by Shiba Inu developers. "I mean, whatever, if people want to give the devs even more money, go ahead, but if I was a SHIB holder I would be annoyed," adding, 1,000 land at 0.2 to 1 ETH each equals greater than they are raising 100 to 300 million additional dollars beyond what they've already made from making Shiba. Fighting the meme coin tag Shiba Inu was concocted to compete with Dogecoin and has often been dubbed the Dogecoin killer. The token enjoyed a lot of success in 2021, growing by 45 million%. After such a great year price-wise, the community has pushed to remove the meme coin tag and show that the token has utility. The Metaverse project is the latest effort to change this narrative. Supporters of the meme coin have expectedly not taken Billy Marcus's comments lying down. One responded by saying that Billy was just resentful and that the only utility Doge had was the support of Elon Musk. Shiba Inu is currently down 1.31% in the last 24 hours and minus 6.39% in the last 7 days, trading at the 2,633 price point. Despite the Dogecoin killer tag, the token remains 3 steps behind Dogecoin's market cap, currently holding 15th place with a market cap of $14.4 billion. 208.53 million SHIB burned within 24 plus hours, 161 million gone in one transfer. Major SHIB burner at Shibern has tweeted that within about 24 hours, a total of 208.5 million Shiba Inu meme tokens have been incinerated, i.e., removed from the circulating supply of SHIB. 208.5 million SHIB locked up. The process of burning crypto means moving digital tokens to dead-end wallets, where they will remain forever and nobody will be able to withdraw them or otherwise spend those funds. This is done in order to reduce the circulating supply, which in theory can push the coin's price up as the asset becomes more scarce in the market. Since Sunday morning, various burn initiatives within the SHIB army have moved 208.53 million Shiba Inu tokens to Inferno addresses. That is the equivalent of $5,544 at the present SHIB USD exchange rate. The largest transfer in this change of burns has carried a whopping 161 million SHIB, 86.8 trillion SHIB grabbed by third biggest whale on Sunday, April 3rd. Whale Stats on Chain Data Tracker reported that the third biggest wallet on the Ethereum blockchain, titled Tsunade, made an acquisition of an astounding 86.8 billion Shiba Inu tokens. That amount of meme tokens constituted $2 million at the time of the purchase. The wallet holds more than $3.5 billion worth of various ETH-based tokens, and the biggest share belongs to American-born Doge, US Doge, 23.07%, worth $1.9 billion. Prior to that, a whale called Bomber, after a dwarf in the iconic fantasy book, The Hobbit, by J.R.R. Tolkien, who went with Bilbo Baggins and Thorin the Oakenshield to the Lonely Mountain, grabbed a smaller but still substantial amount of SHIB, 58.5 billion tokens. This purchase by Bomber occurred after he had purchased 175 billion Shiba Inu earlier in the week. At the time of writing, this 19th ranked whale holds a comprised $1.9 billion worth of various ETH tokens, excluding SHIB, all of which he has apparently gotten rid of. This means that all tokens which include SHIB, Leash and Bone will play a role as phases roll out. The ecosystem has also launched an official website, shib.io, which it states, is set to become a main source for all things SHIB. The metaverse will consist of 100,595 plots of land. According to the team, each plot is an exciting opportunity to become part of the immersive Shiba-inspired environment. They further explained that some lands will remain locked as they represent key locations for travel within the metaverse and stay private to be used as common grounds. They stated, these will represent roads, corridors, avenues, boulevards, and hubs, while public ones will be available for purchase. The team explained that while development continues, the progression and guaranteed process to secure plots will begin by releasing a sequence of lands in phases. It states, during our introductory phase for SHIB, part of 4 different districts: Growth District, Defense District, Technology District and Currencies District. The announcement explains that 2022 will be the year for new implementations like Shibarium, which will be the Layer 2 solution in which the metaverse will be developed, and SHI, the Shiba ecosystem stablecoin, which the announcement states that is going to open new investment opportunities through the system SHIB is currently developing. The announcement also explains that users who own land in the metaverse will be able to generate passive income, gather in-game resources, and generate rewards. It reads, by becoming a landowner, users will unlock some truly amazing features and privileges that will be revealed on further phases and blog, Medium posts releases in the near future. The announcement explained that Shiba Inu will play many special roles in the metaverse, including a mechanic to burn Shiba Inu tokens independently while renaming your land plot, same as the platform did when Shiboshis were launched. As a way to appreciate its Shiboshi NFT holders, the announcement explained that there will be a special area, consisting of 2,000 restricted plots of land that these holders will have early access to bid or purchase during the land's early access bid event and holder event. It explained that a Shiboshi holder snapshot was taken on the 21st of February 2022 and 3,593 addresses were found. It then stated, 2,000 from total of 3,593 addresses have been whitelisted, completely randomized, to access that zone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.